What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I know that we've had several new subscribers lately on the channel, so just wanted to say what's up to you guys and thank you for subscribing and watching us go through this journey of modifying our Subaru Outback for off-roading, and also just checking out all the other Subaru content with us. So thank you guys for subscribing. Please hit that like button if you guys haven't yet, and if you guys aren't subscribed, definitely should. So this morning I really wasn't thinking about making a video today, but we got a text message from Nate, our fabricator, who's working on our front bumper, rear bumper, rock sliders, and he said that my battery's dead, so it gives me a reason to come out to OC to go see the car and how the build process is going so far, and just think that it would be awesome if I take you guys with me. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. Also planning on giving you guys some updates about where we're at with our YouTube channel, where we're gonna go with the car, and what we have plans for it, because definitely, even though we get these bumpers done for the car, there's still a lot more things that we got to do to the car to actually have it be more off-road ready. Pretty much when the bumpers are done, it's gonna be essentially like phase one of the off-road build. There's gonna be tons of other stuff that you still need to modify just to make it more cohesive with the whole build. So please don't bash me if, like, you know, there's not enough ride height for the wheel travel and things like that. That will all come together as time goes on. But as far as where it's gonna be at right now, I would say like maybe 50 to 60% close to being finished. So yeah, we still got a lot of work to do, guys, so please hit that subscribe button and continue to watch and support the channel and just hang out. All right, guys, after about an hour and a half of driving, we are rolling up to Nate's Fab. Super clean WRX right here, guys. Guys, so we have made it out here to Orange, California at Nate's Fab. Got my fuel tank, and we got lovely Murphy's Crosstrek over here. Jake actually purchased my Wild Peaks and Black Rhinos, so that's his Crosstrek with my previous setup on. Looks freaking great. So shout out to Jake Murphy. I'll post his IG right here somewhere on the screen, so you guys can go ahead and follow his build. And so yeah, let's go ahead and come inside the shop and take a look at what we've done so far. All right, guys, so this is the Outback right now. So far we've fabricated some mounting brackets. Our battery's dead, so AAA is actually coming by soon to hopefully replace it for no cost at all because it's under warranty. And yeah, so we got the side skirts off so that we can run our tubular rock sliders. And right now Nate is lining up the top bar of our rear bumper setup, so that's gonna look freaking awesome. And I really love what he did with our mounting points for the Outback. These actually insert into the rear of the vehicle, and then inside the trunk you have to remove the nuts that fasten to these mounting points. So he kind of like added more stuff to reinforce it, and so he's gonna build some brackets. You're gonna build some brackets to weld onto this, right?
There's gonna be a tube coming off. It's going to be a round tube coming off, notched to this tube, and then have a crossbar, and then triangulate in between.
Okay, so that's going to be really freaking awesome.
Depending on if we do a drop down bar here, might have something come down and under the corner of the car.
Yeah.
And then get the shackle tie-in point here closer to the mounting point on the subframe, internal subframe mount, whatever you want to call it.
Sounds good. Can't wait. We're almost there. Probably about like a week and a half away to 2 weeks. Most of the time is going to be spent just bending and then welding and then doing the final finishes. So it's going to look great. I'm excited. Alright, so we got the front tube all bent up, so we're just going to line it up to the front of the car, see how it looks.
And if you look at the back of the tube, or the top, look at the top of the tube, it runs damn near parallel with the headlight. So we can pull it off a little bit.
That's great, yeah.
I would say bring it off maybe so it's like an inch in front of the headlight.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely like that, yeah. Because after you bring it forward just a bit more, like it runs really well with the headlight line.
Yeah.
And it looks great.
And
it's on point, man.
As you can see, it's damn near perfect with the, like it's not even centered right now, it's just loosely held up there.
Yeah.
But once I actually get the center,
it's gonna poke out a little bit more.
But the inside of the tube is right with the outside of the body.
Heck yeah, yeah.
So that's perfect. You don't bump something, you don't bump the tube before the body.
Exactly.
Once we get the mounting points coming off to here, we'll triangulate out so your corner is nice and buffed out, super strong. You know, if you need a bump a small tree, you can definitely rub it.
Alright guys, so we just finished up at Nate's. About to head back down to San Diego now. Man, what a freaking awesome day. Got some good footage for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed some of those shots of the welding. I can't get too close unfortunately because I didn't really have a good tripod setup. A little bit tight in there. I know I haven't posted much. Car's kind of been in hibernation getting these bumpers done. This is going to be like the biggest leap in the actual build of the vehicle, so I'm very hopeful and looking forward to that. One thing that I haven't really spoken to you guys about or really showed on my Instagram, me and the wife recently just put down and are in the process of getting a house, so yay. I'm gonna have a car garage soon, so that's also really great. We get to build stuff inside my garage. This opportunity came about and I'm really stoked and excited that I could potentially be really, really awesome. So, yep, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.